Yes, people are still building websites, and that is not going to stop in the near, or dare should I say, in the medium to long term future. Dorik makes it really easy with the help of generative AI to create websites. Doric name seems quite interesting. So when I went to look at it, what exactly is meant by Doric? Doric comes from the word Doric, which is a Greek word, and that is one of the three orders of the ancient Greek and later Roman architecture. And the creators have just replaced the C with K for better pronunciation and finding the available domain easily. So very pragmatic. As I said, Dorik is a generative AI tool which lets you create websites with a single text prompt and edit without any code. So you can do website generation, AI generated copy, you can even use AI generated images and generate in any language, which is amazing. Dorik has been co-founded by Anwar and Mizan and has been building and website templates since like 10 11 years, not in generative AI. They started Doric as a side project back in 2019. And Doric's first landing page went live in April 2020 to find beta testers and early customers. They launched Doric publicly on August 10, 2020 on Product Hunt, and then they have finished number two on Product of the Day, which is really something because there are thousands of products out there. Now they have got more than 250 paying customers, and how much does it cost? I will show you shortly in their plans and pricing section. Anyway, so Doric is primarily an all-in-one website building platform that makes it easy for anyone to create a beautiful website in minutes without any design or coding experience. Doric is flexible, easy to use, and one of the most affordable website building platforms out there. Their main mission is to build a website building platform that is affordable for everyone around the world, combining the ease of use and flexibility to make it possible for anyone from any corner of the world to build a website. Seems pretty lofty, and by the look of it, seems quite easy and achievable too. So let's see how you can use Doric to build a website. I'll drop the link to their website. So go there, create an account, a free account with your email address, and then log into Doric. Once you log in there, you'll be presented with this screen where it is asking you few of the roles. So I'll just say I am maybe entrepreneur. What you'll be building the website for? Maybe I'll just say for my business. How did you hear about this? Well, I just searched it. Click on finish. So this is what you get once you log in, and they are also presenting you a video. Let's close it and also close it. Click on create new site with AI, and then I'll just say my AI consultancy, and I'll say this consultancy provides AI related services to the clients. Language English, and just out of curiosity, there are heaps of languages available. Okay, amazing. So I'll just go with English and then generate your website, and it is going to generate it. Now it is configuring the fonts and stuff, and then it is saying that something untoward has happened. Okay, let's click on regenerate again. Nope. Okay, maybe there is some so internal server error, which is not good. Anyway, so but it has created something, as you can see, even if it has given me some error, but it has created some of the template here. Maybe it's still in beta, but I didn't see about beta so far. Anyway, they have 250 customers, so maybe some glitch. Now it says that get started by adding new section. So click on add new section here, and you can go with these containers. Saved, I haven't saved anything, so I'll just go with the container, click 100 here, and then click plus again. What exactly I want to add here? Maybe I just want to add some icon, and then you can select any icon from here. Maybe I'll just go with the soccer one, and then that's it. Cool. It is tablet screen. Okay, now I'm just on the laptop, so I'll just go here. And if you don't like it, you can just click here and then maybe click on regenerate page, and from here we can go to the home page. And this is where, and then from the left hand side you can add further elements like social icons and all this stuff. And then this is the component library where you can add different sections, rows, column, elements. Now this section doesn't look like any different from any other website building pages, um, because I was hoping that it will be more interactive and stuff. I already have verified it, by the way, so that is not the issue. So this is a bit of a bummer that I was expecting that when I have given that text, they should have generated it. Anyway, so it seems maybe their server is having issues, but you can see that you can add a lot of things here if it doesn't create anything for you. Now this lady has built this website, One Good Thing, in India, I believe, with the help of this Dorik, which looks quite good. Okay, and then there are a lot of other examples which you can follow. Pricing wise, looks quite, I would say, affordable. If you go monthly, it is just $19 per month, and then $49 per month for the business plan, which can have 10,000 members and unlimited pages. So even the personal one with 25 pages is good enough, I would say, if you just want to have a simple website. And if you go with annual one, it even becomes $15 per month. So pretty cheap. I think pricing is fine. I would give it to them, but I think they need to fix their website. It says AI sites is okay. So AI sites is still in beta. So if I click here, AI sites, and then this is the one I was creating it. Maybe I'll just try it out. Maybe let me delete this one. I'll give it another go. Okay, so that's gone. Now create new site with AI. I'll just say test website to check out this tool, and test AI website. Let's see if it is good enough this time. Generate your website. Okay, so bottom left it says site created successfully, which is good. This is good progress this time. Let's wait for it to finish. Global fonts and color settings. Almost there, it seems. So it has come up with something. Now this looks much better. You can see that it has started printing it out. This is what I was expecting. Beautiful. Amazing stuff. Lovely. So how cool and how modern this looks. It is still generating different sections of it. Amazing stuff. Very impressive. So let's wait for it to stop generating it all. It has done the magic, and it felt like, some web expert was creating a website in real time in front of me. So I just gave it a command, it was creating it, and look at how good this is. Just within 5 to 10 minutes it has just generated this very modern, very sleek website with all the bells and whistles. This seems like an AI image. Wow, amazing stuff. And there you go. So everything is there for subscription, for social icons, for copyrights, and here is there too. No spelling mistakes. Design looks really cool. And then I'll just say for now, or should I should have given it a high five anyway. And then if I click on home, about, you can change it on the right hand side. This is what I was expecting, and I think this passes with flying colors. Anyway, That's it, guys. I hope that you liked it. If you have any comments or if you like it, let me know. I think I am very, very impressed by it. Love it. And if you know of any that similar tool, let me know and I'll be happy to review it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.